Mr. 300C. Man, oh man. 300 acting crazy today. We got some leakage going on here. Something was dripping there a while ago. But we got some more drip, drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip. Let's try to get underneath. See where this is coming from. I can't tell. I think it's right there. I think I see something right around there. A little drip drip. Let's see if we can see what it is. Ooh, slippery. Is this oil? It's from the oil pan, or I can't tell. Let me smell that bad boy. Kind of smells like oil, but it also looked kind of clear too. But I don't know, I'm not professional. But yeah, this thing is making me getting worried. Also, I don't know if I got a HEMI tick or if I dropped a valve seat, but this car is making some weird noises. So we're gonna turn this on so you guys can try to hear with me as we take a little peep peep. It sounds like it's coming from this side over here somewhere. Obviously something been spraying, maybe some more coolant, or I don't know. Cause I watched this whole thing and you can even see got some purple color on there. Let's take the engine cover off real quick. Doesn't sound right, but when I accelerate, you can probably hear a little something. Oh, there it is. You hear that sound? Like, what the flip is that? It's like a rattlesnake. There it is again. Alright, I'm gonna do some engine rails so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There's a rattlesnake in here. Alright, hopefully you heard some of that rattling sound. So I don't know what that is. Sounds weird. I'm getting worried, thinking I dropped a valve seat or something. So yeah, we might have to do some more inspection on this thing. When I'm driving inside the car and like going, you can really hear it going brrr, brrr. So I know I got the pre-Eagle heads on here. This is 2007, so I don't know, man. Hold up, hold the flipping up. I just discovered something. So I was just looking around and I was like, there's some weird tool in here. I think there's like a socket wrench in here. Look at that. Look at this. What is that? A socket wrench, or what is that? We're gonna see, man. Why is this in my car? I don't even have this tool in my house. Who left this in my car, yo? Crazy. Driven wrench. 18mm wrench. I don't think that's what's making the vibration, but still. That was so random. Why was that in my car? Now I want to look some more and see if something else in there. Okay, I discovered something else. This is vibrating, look. You can see it shake a little bit. Look at that. This is what's making the noise. This could be the rattling noise, but I still hear it in the engine, man. This car is so quirky. I don't know why this is vibrating. It's like right here. That's so crazy. Oh, I can feel the vibration too. And my belts look good. Maybe I'm just tripping. Alright, I'm out for real. Bye.